just brought in on trade a very clean late model Rockwood 2604 WS here at Haylett RV of Coldwater, Michigan. Only 5,600 pounds. This is a somewhat common floor plan, 26-foot rear living room, super slide in the living room. However, it's a Rockwood, and they do everything one step further. This also includes that bedroom wardrobe closet slide that you see right there. So it has storage most other rear living rooms can only dream of. This is, like I said, late model. It was park kept. This has not been towed. It has not been jarred down the street. These were previous Haylett customers. I know the folks very well. I know how they take care of their stuff. Like, for instance, even here on the dark side of the trailer, you can still see how much sheen is left on that skin. This was extremely well maintained. We also have a enclosed underbelly here with those little support straps you see so that it doesn't gap down on you. So this has, excellent, what do I want to say, prevention against cold snaps. Not a Four Seasons coach. There are exactly 0 Four Seasons ultralights out there, but they do take those extra steps to protect you at a Rockwood. That being said, this is awesome spring, summer, fall camping right here. Rockwoods are a fully laminated product. I'm very familiar with this because we're a Rockwood dealer. A lot of lightweight trailers, you walk up, you can tap on the sidewalls, they're laminated, but go to the rear wall, or the slide out wall and the rear wall both. Every single exterior skin on this, including the roof and the floor, fully vacuum laminated. That is how, with 2 slides, they still maintain the weight of a single super slide rear living room. You notice the rear ladder back there. That also gives you access to the roof. That is basically a zero flex, fully laminated roof. You're looking at R9 walls, R12 roof and floor, which is, you see these things that advertise like R52. Do you realize you need a 22-inch thick roof for R52? It's bogus. It's garbage. It's just made up nonsense. That's a calculated value, not a real value. Rockwood gives you real values. The previous owners definitely use the grill. We're going to call it well seasoned, but hey, it's here. They didn't keep it. They didn't try to, poach it or anything like that. And Rockwood does include this extra little utility table out here. Your indoor TV does move outside. It hooks right up to this little bracket right here. The whole swing arm and everything comes outside. Then you just plug it in down here, and hey, you're good to go. We have dual entry doors with a big honking awning. The awning easily covers both doors. So you're not going to run into that thing where it's like raining outside, and every time you open the door, you still get rain in the camper because the awning doesn't go out far enough. They extended it to the max possible length. We also have a big storage compartment up front here. And they, again, took care of every aspect of this thing here, inside, outside, everywhere. Pardon me. Let's hop inside for you real quick. So the way we know wow, it's windy. I hope the wind's not eating up the microphone. I'm doing my best to shield it from you here. Shield you from it, as it were. Let me close the door behind me. Previous owners, they bought their first RV from me, actually. I used to, I make sure that nobody gets missed at our dealership. I don't normally work directly with customers, but I do jump in to help out to make sure no one's missed. Handy little battery disconnect here. Did you notice how all the lights kicked on? That is there because things like your stereo, your TV, microwave, all that stuff, it doesn't turn off. It goes into standby in a low power usage mode, not a no power usage mode. So that little battery disconnect keeps you from absolutely soaking dry your batteries when it's in storage. A very handy feature. And if I can keep the camera pointed directly away from windows, you'll see how nice it is in here. The big windows, it's very hard for new digital cameras to do a good job discerning light from darkness right there. So rear chairs in a rear living room normally get the biggest abuse. And you can see that the upholstery here and everything's still in top-notch shape. You can see that the the grandkids didn't tear up the couch or anything like that. It looks fantastic. There's only one blemish I found. I will point that out to you. I do not try to hide things from folks. It's a Rockwood. Oh, I was telling you about the previous history real quick. Cabinetry in here is top shelf. It's absolutely top shelf. You can see how clean their cuts are in here. Actually, I can even blow that up for you a little bit so you can see exactly there. I mean, the craftsmanship down at Rockwood is second to none. Overall, Rockwood's the best-selling lightweight brand out there. That includes fifth wheels and travel trailers. In certain markets, there are other brands that do perform a little bit better in terms of a sales record. But this is the gold standard of the RV industry in the lightweight segment. So previous owners bought their first trailer from me. That was a little 24-foot used rear kitchen Jayco. And they swapped that out for this Rockwood. Then they swapped that out. A little pull-out sprayer here, by the way. They swapped out this Rockwood that's been part kept the whole darn time for a 28-foot cruiser fifth wheel. They were totally satisfied with their Rockwood. They just decided they wanted a little more space. They were satisfied from a performance standpoint, I guess I should specify. They wanted a little more space, and they had plans to do some long-term traveling down the line, and they thought a fifth wheel would be better suited for that. Little nice thing Rockwood does here is they do include storage all the way through the overhead of the slide out, yet every window opens for ventilation. Now this is a freestanding elliptical table. If you want to pull it out over at the kitchen area over here and use it like an island or take it outside, you can. You see they have the easy access storage drawer down here. This is an airbed sofa. This was the last year they used airbeds in pretty much any brand. I see that the pump and the hardware and everything's right up here in this cabinet, along with some little clips for picnic tables. The covers, that is. I haven't seen the bladder for the air mattress. It's probably in there. I haven't checked on that, so that's an easy question to call and verify with our sales team. But if you notice, that, again, construction-wise, everything's plywood. Now, if I lift up the dinette cushions, what you're going to see in here is all aluminum cage, everything. Again, that's how Rockwood keeps the strength up and yet the weight down. It's with just superior materials. That does mean that Rockwood doesn't tend to be the cheapest brand on the market. It does mean they tend to be one of the best. Now, the TV can angle up and down. That's why it looks like it's little jihad right now, little kitty wampus, but she's fine. Now, I told you one blemish I found, and it's actually kind of, I don't know if it's a known defect, but it is something we've seen before with this specific model. Not Rockwood at large, but this one floor plan. There's a giant door here that folds down like a drawbridge, and you can use it like a device stand if you want to. But going down the road, that door, because it's big and heavy, sometimes will pop open and get behind the flange, behind the slide out flange over here, and you can't see it, so when you run the slide out, it can catch it. And it looks like it did get caught a little bit. Someone caught that and hurt it before it became a serious problem. You can see the tiny blemishes there. In fact, I'll point them right out to you. I'm not in the business of hiding anything from folks. Again, I like honesty in our sales department. But I wanted you to know about that. It's purely cosmetic. It's nothing to worry about, but it's there. While we're looking at the electronics, again, we have a Vizio high-def flat screen that can go inside or outside. We have an all-in-one AM, FM, CD, DVD, Bluetooth player, inside-outside speakers, and even as a Bluetooth uplink, actually even as a microphone, you can take hands-free calls through your camper if you want to. We have fully centralized AC system with a laminated roof, so it's not going anywhere. LED lighting, centralized control center up here. This is designed to be easy, fun to use, long-term ownership type RV. Rockwood was the first brand I know of that went to the recessed stove with the glass top up here. It gives you greater counter space. It looks awesome, and that is a larger 22-inch oven as opposed to the standard 16-inch oven you tend to find in RVs. Little detail stuff like that little door stopper right there so that the door doesn't smash into other things. Those are the little details that you tend to not always see in every brand. They'll forego 42 cents for that little thing, and you end up dinging up your cabinetry as a result. So just give you a quick sweeping view of the bathroom. With that big skylight above the shower, you don't really tend to need a lot of lights in the bathroom. And you see you have a fifth wheel standing shower in here, not a little travel trailer tub. This is a walk-through middle bath, which means that we have lots of legroom for the toilet, and we have linen space behind the toilet. Now, anywhere you see a power vent fan in a Rockwood, first of all, it's the bigger Creative Breeze or Max Air fan. Not the same company, but effectively interchangeable product. The thing is, Rockwood installs the ceiling, the roof vent cover from the factory level, so that I know I could, like, if you forget to leave this vent closed, it's okay. It's got a rain cover on it. And we do have a sliding pocket door here, so you do have privacy in your front bedroom. We have great storage below the bed, and the bed still lifts up, but I like to pull those drawers out so that you folks can see it. The second entry door goes right to the bedroom right here. So you can hop in, you can grab a coat from your closet, or you can sweep right in the door around the walk-around bed here to the bathroom. Very good for driving down the road in those little quick pit stops. We do have a front wall window, which while it plays havoc with the camera for light reasons, it is so fantastic when you're camping because it gives you a greater sense of space and light and depth and character and everything in your bedroom where normally you wouldn't have that. And it does have a fold down windshield if you noticed outside. This is again where Rockwood sets itself apart with this giant wardrobe closet slide over here. So this is about 18 inches deep or so, and it gives you that hanging storage space that you just normally do not get in a travel trailer. It is all of the difference in the world. And we do have a stand over here with power outlets for like CPAP machines and all that stuff. We do not get a lot of used Rockwoods in here, guys, because people don't like to give them up. It's typically the brand you upgrade to, not upgrade from. This is a rare exception, and really all they did was upgrade space. So give us a call, 800-256-5196. We are Haylett RV of Coldwater, Michigan. We're a top 5 dealer in the state. We make deals happen. We're fun and easy. Trades, financing, hitching, pieces, parts. I don't care if you got a truck or a horse trailer to trade. We do everything here. We are a true one-stop shop and family-owned place. My dad owns a place. I do our online advertising. My brother's our service manager. We are an actual family-run outfit. When we get a nice, clean, used Rockwood like this in trade, it's usually gone within hours. It's not even a matter of days or weeks, but hours. So if you like it, definitely call right away. Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it, guys. Take care, stay safe, and happy camping, everybody. Go have some fun.